Welcome students. This is second video of chapter number 11, line segment, ray and line. Definitions we have done in previous video 1. Now we are doing our exercise 11A of chapter number 11, line segment, ray and line. Now question number 1. Now name all the line segment in each of the following figures. Now first we take the second part of this. Now figure is given, this one. You have drawn this figure neatly with the help of pencil and scale. Draw the figure as given in the question. In this figure, first you identify what is line segment. A line between two dots. This is line segment. Now in this question, first the name of line segment. Now first we find out how many line segments are there. Now A and B, these are two dots are there, and line between these two dots are a line segment. Now first is A B1, AB2, AC3, AE4, DB3, BC5 and CE, means 6. Now in this figure, now the number of line segment is 6, and now the name of these line segments are A, D, then you put the symbol of line segment this, then AB, then AC, then AE, then DB, then BC, then last is CE. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, sorry, now there is a 7. Total number of line segments are 7. Now our question number first is completed. Now we take the question number second. Identify and name the line segments and rays. Now it's the first part, figure is given. First we find out the line segments. Line segment is a line between two dots. Now where is the line segment? AB. AB, it's a line segment because there is a two dot. Now line segment is AB and we put the symbol of line segment. Okay. Now next is ray. Now what is the ray? One side dot and one side arrow. This is ray. Now in this figure, one side dot and one side arrow means it's a ray, and next one is one side dot and one side arrow, it's a second one, means ray is AC. Now put the ray symbol. Now second BD, then put the ray symbol. Okay. Now next second part of this question. Now find out the line segment first. Now there is a two line segment because these are 2 point E G and second is G P. Now there is a two line segment E G and put the line segment symbol, second G P. Okay, now next one, rays. Now how many rays are there? One side dot and one side arrow. 1, 2 and 3. Now write down the name of this. Yes, now there is a one more line segment is there, uh, EG, GP and EP and EP. Now there is a three line segments. Now next, EF. First ray is EF and put the ray symbol. Now GH, then PQ. These are the rays. Now we take the part number third. This is the figure. Now how many line segments are there? First O, L and second O, P. Now there is any more? No. Line segments O, L, put the line segment symbol, then O, P, then okay. Now next is rays. One side dot and one side arrow. First is L, M, then second is P, Q. Now L, M, put the ray sign, then P, Q. Okay. Now next, take the next question number 3. Now there is a figure. First you draw the figure is given, then the question is 4 line segments. Now we take any of 4 line segments. Line segment is a line between two dot. Okay, now write down the line segments. Now first is P R, P R, sorry. Now second is R S. Next S Q. Next Q P. Now the question is 4 line segments. Now these are the 4 line segments. Now next is 4 rays. Now P A. Now there is a P A. First is P A, then R B, then S D. Next is Q C, and we put the ray symbol. Now next third, two non-intersecting line. Two non-intersecting line segments. Now intersecting line segment, which intersect at a point, we have to write down two non-intersecting line segments. The line segments which are not intersecting, not joining. Now, the line segment is PR. PR. And next is QS. QS. These two line segment which are non-intersecting means जो आपस में कभी टच नहीं होंगी. Okay, now this is PR and QS. These are never meet at a common point. This is the question number 3rd. Now we go to the next question number 4. Now, question number 4. What do you mean by collinear points? First, how many lines how many lines can you draw passing through 3 collinear points? Now, 3 collinear points are given. Suppose 1, A, B, C. How many lines can you draw? Now we can draw only one line because AB between two dots, so it is also line segment. It is a line segment, and next BC is also between two dots, so it also a line segment. Line we can draw only one, AC, and put the line symbol. Now second question, given three collinear points A, B, C, how many line segments do they determine? Name them. Now how you are done line segments in between two dots. So there are two line segments. First you write down. Now how many? There are two line segments are there. Name the first three of this. A, B, B, C, and A, C, and put the line segment symbol. Okay, now next question number 5. In the adjoining figure. Now this is the figure. First you draw the figure, then we take the first part of this question, 4 points of intersecting lines. Now first you draw the figure. Now two lines, 4 pair which are intersecting. You can write any one. I writing first P, Q. First pair is P, Q and R, S. First pair is P, Q and C, D. P, Q and C, D. ठीक है, lines, then you put the symbol of line. It's a first pair. Then second pair is P, Q and AB. P, Q and AB line segment. Lines symbol. Now next is C, D and R S. C, D and R S. Then last is A, B and R S. A, B and R S. A, B and R S. Okay. Now next part, four collinear points which lie in a straight line. Write any four collinear points. I am writing here C, P, R, D. C, P, R, D. Okay, these all are collinear points C, P, R, and D. Now next is question number third, three non-collinear points which are non-collinear points which are not in a single line. Now I am writing here any of three. I am taking P, R and S. P, R and S. Okay. Now next, three concurrent lines. Concurrent lines which passing through a single point. Now we take a point S. Now P, S is passing of this point A, B, and next is R, S. Now we write here PS, AB and RS. Now put the line symbol. Okay. Now next, three lines whose point of intersection is P. Now where is the point P? This. Now write down three lines whose intersection is point P. Now write here PS, PQ and CD. Means PS, PQ and CD. These are three lines. Now put the line symbol on it. Okay. Now next, question number 6. Mark three non-collinear points A, B, C as shown figure. Draw lines through these points taking two at a time. Name the line. How many such different lines can be drawn? Now there are 3 points A, B and C. Now non-collinear points which are not on a line. Now first we draw the lines through these points taking two at a time. Now first we draw a line. We take a 2 point A and B. Now we draw another line. Now we draw one more line. Okay. Now we have to draw lines, not line segments. Now how many lines are there? There are 3 lines are there. Now, name of these three lines. First is AB, second AC, third BC. Now these three lines are there. Okay. Now we take the question number 7. Count the number of line segments drawn in figure and name them. Now we take the third part of this question. Okay. Now first figure is given. Now first you draw it. Then how many lines segments are there? First we count it. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Number of line segments is 6. Because there is no points are given between this figure, no names are here like this F and this point and B and this point E and this point. Now in this figure these points are there is no names are there, so we take F to B, E to D, E to C only. Okay. Now number of line segments is 6. Now name them. A B, A F, then C D and C E, next B F, then B A. Now B A is repeated. Okay. Then D E, then FB is repeated and FA is repeated, then ED, then EC. Now these are 6 line segments. Okay. Now this is the last question of our exercise. After that, true and false and fill-ups are there. So there is no need to do these true and false and fill-ups in your notebook. You do this in your book only, and you do your exercise 11B in your book only, and you do your exercise 11A question number 1 to 7 in your notebook. Okay.